Okay, hello everybody. Today I want to show you how to trade. Okay, first you need to log in your account. Okay, make sure your account already binding your API. For example, here I already binding Binance and Huobi. So this is my Huobi. So can view, can see this already binding. Okay, and then this here I already binding to Binance and Huobi. Okay, this one I already trade. So you see here have profit, also have loss. So have profit automatic. Follow profit 1.4 like this will be profit and then will be close equity. Make sure you have minimum $5. This one I put around $800 to make sure to get big profit. Okay. And then how to trade? First you need to choose good coin. Okay. So I go to Huobi. For example, today I want to go to Huobi. I want to trade DCR coin. So here I list all inside robot coin around 250 coin. And then when I list all, I choose one by one. Okay, which one good coin? First, I need to choose like this. This coin, first I go to daily. Okay, this one I go to daily. See, just 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. So we will go up more. You can see negative 44. Maybe go up 40% again. Okay. So if coin like this, go up, down like this, very good and can make big profit. Okay. So and then I go to 2 hour. So 2 hour, this coin go up, very good. Can go up again. And then I go to 50 minutes. You see this one, 50 minutes. Okay, like this. For example, go to 50 minutes. Okay, very good. Want to go up by time. So you need to buy. For example, you want to buy DCR coin. Okay. See this coin, up, down, up, down, up, down like this. Very good. You can make big profit. Go to up 4%. Go down back 4%. Around 8%. Up and down around 12%. So I go to Huobi and then go to AI trading, okay, AI strategy, and then go to Huobi, okay, and then need to choose DCR, okay, DCR coin, okay, see here, okay, double click here. How to setting? This one single strategy, so you need choose to circular strategy. Okay, click here to change circular strategy. And then you need to go to setting. For example, I want to buy here $200. So go to here. Okay, setting $100 first. Okay, $100. Okay, $100. And then this one, maximum counter 3. Okay, and then I go to setting here. I setting 48. Okay, and then confirm. 48, why 48 here? 4% drop, buy again, 8% drop, buy again. Okay, this one, marketing strategy. What is marketing strategy? Okay, I'll show you here. This robot marketing strategy. For example, I put here $100. Marketing strategy meaning first put order 100. Okay, and then this robot automatic buy when drop 3.5. 3.5 to $100. So I change here to 4%. Okay, and then change here to 8%. Because I buy only 2 level. Okay, and then when drop 4%, automatic buy $200, and then automatic drop 8%, automatic buy $400. I just bought 2 level only, and then you can choose which one you want. Okay, this normal strategy. Instead robot like this, it can cover up to 47% market drop. Okay, so if like this, 200, 400 up to 12,800. Total, you put 100, you need to have capital for one second round, $12,800. Okay, this one very, very safety. So it dropped 48.7, very, very safety. Now market already crashed around 40%. So you more than 40%. So you put like this, very, very strong and very, very good to make big profit. Okay. Okay. And then this one, marketing strategy. You put $100 like this. If I put $100 and then I choose this one, custom strategy. I change to this one. Sorry, change this one. This one marketing strategy. This one custom strategy. This one custom strategy, like Ferrari. This one sport, very fast. Okay. For example here, for example, I put here, first $11 for example. Second, double up time 2. This balance time 2, 22. And then this balance time 4, 88. Like this, this one marketing magnification. So you put here 400. Second time 2 become 400. And then 400, 100 time 4, 1,600. 1,600 time 8, 12,800. 12,800 times 60, 200,000. So very careful. This one very fast go to sky, go to the moon. Very fast. So you don't know use this one, you can choose this one marketing strategy. Okay. This one also you can choose. For example, 1. This one you become to 2 again. Change. Will be automatic change here. Okay. 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 This calculator I put inside Telegram for everybody can change, no problem. And then this one, okay, you can setting this one, magnification, you can setting 2 times, 4 times at least, okay. And then this one last, you can setting constant amount, okay. You click confirm constant amount, very simple. After you click constant amount, you can setting here $200, $400, up to you. Okay, this one constant amount you can change anything. For $20, $40. This one you can change. For example, you don't like $20, you can change to $30, you can change to $100, you can change $300, up to you. $31, $1, $2 also you can change. This one custom. For example, for big trader, want to trade up to him, want to put anywhere amount. Any amount also no problem. Because this robot follow your mind, okay? You put any amount, this robot will be run any amount, follow your setting. And then after you complete this one, okay, you click submit. Okay. Now robot can run. So this one you double check again, $100 first amount, number of call 3, profit 1.2, and then take profit 0.3, and then cover up 0.5, and then you need to start robot. And then you want to double check again, okay, you can double check again. And then you go to click setting, and then make sure you click confirm. You not click confirm, robot not confirm to you. So you need to click confirm and submit. Okay. And then after you double check everything okay, and then you click start robot, and then you click confirm. Okay. Now successful. Successful. You can double check here. Allah, robot will be order for you, like this. Okay, successful order. And then go back to home page. Now you can see here. Now robot already buy for you. Okay. Okay, like this. And then after everything complete, you can go to home. You go to home. This one Binance. Okay, I connect to Binance. This one Binance. Profit like this. Green color profit. Red color negative. Okay, this one Huobi. This one DCR coin just running. Okay. And then how to close? For example, this one DCR. This one already buy also DCR in Binance. Okay. Before this I buy in Huobi. Now I buy in Binance. I don't want to waiting this coin. So I want to close manual. Make sure have profit. You can close manual. Okay, you go to this one Secular. You can change to single. Okay, single strategy. Because Secular, you close robot automatic. Secular buy again. Robot Secular meaning buy again. So you need to change to cycle. When change to cycle, this robot never buy again. Okay. Because Secular strategy automatic buy again. After you double check like this, you want to close. After you click Secular, and then you click clearance. Okay, this one clear all position. You click confirm. Okay, now this robot automatic clear successful. Okay, you see inside VNAND, this one DCI. Okay, you go to here back, you can check successful clearance. Okay, and then you go to all log. Successful order clearance. Okay, now already close this one. Okay, and then you go back to home page. No more DCI coin. Okay, only like this. Okay, make sure you choose good coin and then you follow this table. This table I can send to you in Telegram. You can see this table. Automatic can buy and sell. Okay, that's all. Good luck. And then you go to top list. You can see who get top list today. Like this. This just beginning. Only small amount. You can see after 1 month, 2 months, maybe $1,000, $2,000 here. Okay. Okay, you can go to your bill also. You can see this one I trading, I get today profit $27, total profit $700. And then this one I buy DCR, everything, Shiba, everything, all here. Okay. Okay, and then also you can go to transaction history. You can see all transaction. Okay. This one automatic buy Shiba. Before this already buy DCR. This one I clear. This one in Huobi, this one in Binance. Okay. So buy sell automatic like this. Okay. Okay, that's all. You have any question, you can ask me later. Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you.